Second, hello everyone! Welcome back to Exploding Kittens! My name is Boo, and this is my friend! You know him from... You know him from, horror? We're gonna play... We're gonna play Blitz since, I need to do it for a thingy-maboober. Let's play. If you don't know how this game is played, you guys should try my the older video. It shows how like the game is played. But can I go first? Yay! Yeah!
It's your turn.
No, this reminds me of that one time where the cat was first like 5 times in a row. If it's another cat, I would just laugh.
Your turn.
I'm surprised that there's no seed of dangers yet. No! 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 You're not doing that. No.
It's your turn.
One force gaming. You know what you would have got? You know what you would have got? A defuse. This is why you should always gamble. Oh, what game do you need to play? Want to play classic because it says I need to play with a friend, and it will only work if it's classic. And plus, classics more. But the AIs cheat. They cheat. They're a bunch of cheaters.
All right, kitty. Let's get to work.
I got nothing. I got nothing. You could go first. But I don't want to go first. You know what? I'm just gonna do this just because I want to say it. It's random time! Aw. You know what? Give me a card.
Do me a favor.
Dang it! You know what I just got? No! No! Please! Okay, you know what? I gotta allow it. I gotta allow it. I just got a nope. I could have used.
Do me a favor.
Wait, actually, do you have anything that you want to give him? Well. T-A-C-O-C-A-T, Taco Cat, T-A-C-O-C-A-T, Taco Cat.
I see.
Can you tell me what I did? Yay! I want a Taco Cat. I'm Yay! T-A-C-O-C-A-T, Taco Cat, Taco Cat.
Your turn.
Oh! Give me a card!
Do you mind?
Give me a card! I'm poor, this is insurance. Oh, yeah, I did. I'm sorry, I had to do it. Oh, wait, no, it was in. I thought he was pointing it at you. It's because nope it. Yeah, it actually looked like I was about to actually do it. The AIs are facing each other. They're having beef. They're beefing with each other.
It's your turn.
I got nothing but I mean, I got 2 diffuses, but still, I got nothing else, really.
Do me a favor.
But the first one doesn't like the second one. I think we're all just bullying the second one. Are you okay? Is the other AI being mean to you?
I see.
No. I imagine the AI just looks at me and says, "You also just stole from me." Wait, what do I get? Unless he got a defeat from the deck. You always have to put in that in favor. Well, that means I know he doesn't have a defuse. Which that means it's kind of logical who I should steal from now. Yeah, it's you, just kidding.
Do you mind if I steal?
But that would also be logical. 2 for 2, baby! Uh-oh. Just put this right here. There's no way I did. Am I having a lucky day?
See the future.
No. I actually today I went to like the pumpkin patch at like my state, and like one of our pumpkins was literally just oh, it's random time. Anyways, wait, one of our pumpkins was worth $7.77. 777.
Do me a favor.
You know what? I'll give you this. I'm gonna donate to charity. There you go. Yeah. Here you go. You could have that. Well, that's the only one I have. I don't have any more taco cats. I ran out.
I see the future.
Oh wait. Oh wait, no. Because it's random time, so. Yay! Wait.
Skip.
Why is he skipping?
Your turn.
What was his card? What was his card? What was the second AI's card? Okay, you can look at it still. You can look at the box, see what it was. No. It was a catermelon. You lied to me.
Skip.
I got the second AI. Yeah, he skipped. I was asking what was in the box. Well, I thought you had to skip or whatever. Wait, am I the only one with the defuse? Wait, I'm the only one with defuses now. I also have a note, but I haven't been using it.
Skip.
But I say no. No.
Attack.
Oh no.
Your turn.
Oh no. AI, why did you do that, AI? Oh no. Oh no, I have nothing else. I have to defuse the bomb again. I just have to pray the next one's not a bomb. Otherwise, I use my last defuse, and then I'm defenseless. No. I didn't put it there. That's another random bomb. Why would I bomb myself? Okay, I know where almost all of them are. So, if he skips, okay, don't you don't like that. You don't want that. You don't want that. Yeah, you don't want that card. Do you have 2 taco cats? Do you have any 2 cats? All I have is a caramel now. I think we're cooked. It's a bomb. I know it's a bomb. No cry, otherwise it makes me cry. Wait, actually, that might be good for me. Because if the next one's not a bomb, I know the second one's a bomb, but the first one has a 1 in 3 odds. Yeah, no, I'll just skip this next turn. You get it. Well, bye-bye! Well, I guess now it's a 1v1. Just you and me. Just you and me. And I'm dead. You know what? Falco! Punch! How do we let the AI win this? Oh, I mean, how do we let you win this? Ugh. This is why we bullied you. This is why.
Alright.
Why is he looking like that? Why were you looking like that? He went like full on Asian mode. Can I go first this time? What? When I want to go first,
Your turn.
I don't get to go first. But whenever I don't, I get to go first. I'm gonna bully you again because yet again. What happened last time? 3 for 3? Aw. This is okay. This is the one time I didn't get the defuse. Give me a second. Wait. Give me a second. This is the one time I didn't get the defuse.
I see. Future.
I should double give it to the next person. Wait, no!
My device, Gio.
No! Oh wait, why would you take that? Okay, he stole my attack, so I thought I was gonna use it on you. Otherwise, I would have been like, no. Okay, if he didn't change it, you get a nope. If he didn't put it on you, okay? If. I mean, AI's put it randomly, so you don't know. They do it without logic.
Do me a favor.
All I have is 2 cards. All I have is this. And this, snip, snip.
Do me a favor.
I guess you have no choice. Well, I think I'm toast. No, please, please, please. Oh,
Do you mind if I steal?
that's why we bullied you. Oh wait, give me a second. Give me a second. That's why we bullied you, because you. I swear the second AI is stronger than the first one.
Do me a favor.
This isn't why the first one targets the second one.
It's your turn.
Okay, want me to see the future? There's nothing I can do, I can only see! There's 2 explosions. Well, I'm cooked because the first one's an explosion and I don't have anything to skip it. Yeah, the third one is the explosion, but I could put it first just so the AI gets it. And then you might get the safe card. But if he skips, you should skip. If he skips, then you skip. And same if he attacks.
I'm shuffling.
Okay, the safeguard was a shuffle, but now I have to say, it's random time! Let's say it throws up a lot.
It's your turn.
Yeah. That's the Rowan kitten. No! Ah! This game stinks! Actually, I think we should do a duel because it's just me and you practically. It says these AI are cheaters. I love Cat Panda cats. You know what? I'll leave you here. I'm gonna go gambling. Let's go gambling! Oh, dang it. I mean, at least it's a pretty good amount of tickets. Oh, come on. Play a game with friends. He's my friend. Hi, Yolt! Hi! Hi, Yolt! Yo! I'm just too good. You never saw that. Yeah, see, I'm too good. I didn't... No, you didn't see that one. No, you didn't see that one. Yeah, see, look, I'm so good. Oh, no, you didn't see that one. Ooh, catnip sandwich. I love catnip sandwiches. I'm angry. Why know why I'm angry? Because I died first. Why am I angrier? Grr! I mean, he's programmed to 100% do it, so. And in it. So you have a 2 and 5. You have a 2 and 5 odds of exploding. There's 3 safeguards, which makes it practically 50-50, kind of. More on the safe side. So now he has a 50-50. It's random time. Oh. It's random time. Get away from my cat. That's my cat.
Skip.
Hey. You have a 66.66666666 of being safe. Me when I say that. Okay, come on, let's do a duel. Come on. Let's do it the old-fashioned way and duel. Okay, just give me a second. I'll press the magical button. Make sure it's on 10, because get the most tickets. That's why you always save 10 tokens for this. What do you get? Is that the jackpot or did you put in 2? Did you put in 2? Okay, so yeah, that's like half. Give me a second. I'm gonna cancel play. While we wait for him, let's shoot some hoops. Then again, I'm so good at this. Watch, first try. Bam, first try. Bam, first try. Oh no, you guys didn't see that one. Bam. Oh no, you didn't see that one. You didn't see that one either. Bam, you didn't see that one either. Damn. I'm just too good at shooting hoops. Oh wait, you guys didn't see that one. Yeah. Oh, you guys didn't see that one. Oh, you guys didn't see that one either. Oh. Watch this. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Watch me. That's how you shoot hoops. Okay, 360. Yeah, you didn't see that one. Oh shoot. Give me a second. Oh, it's because it's because of my thing got a notification because of I was. Give me a second. I was in a dark room. I was in a dark room. It was getting dark in my room, so I have to open the window. So my thing disconnected for a second. This will be the last match of the thing. Oh, you didn't see that. You didn't see that, right?
I see the future.
Why are you breathing so loud?
Do you mind if I?
No! Nuh-uh. What? I got a 2 for 1? That's the other way around! No!
Do me a favor.
I want some insurance for that. Can I have insurance? Oh, perfect. That's perfect, thank you. Why did it say Rainbow Ralph and Cat? I don't know why, on my screen it said Rainbow Ralph and Cat, but when it was obviously two melon cats. Can I have some more insurance?
Do me a favor.
Oh, I think I need more insurance. Okay, I might as well get this safe card. Even though it's probably not gonna be useful right now.
It's your turn.
I'm gonna brightly press the button. You have pretty good odds. I'm sorry about that laugh. That laugh sounded a little goofy. You know what? You know what time? You know what time it is? It's random time! Now, this one should be safe. It is safe, and it's pretty good. Hey! That's pretty good! It's random time!
I see the future.
Oh, what do I get? What do I get? What do I get?
It's your turn.
Well, I already have one. I think the game's Aryan because it said I had 2 Taco Cats when I just used 2 Rainbow Ralph cats. Another 2-for-1 deal. It's the other way around, and wait.
I see.
If you were telling me the truth, since you told me the truth, I have another one. So I just get. What do I get?
Your turn.
I want my. I want a different card.
Steal.
Well, I mean, I have a bunch of skips, so. That you only have a Taco Cat. Let's end this. It's time for you to die. Say GG's, little guy. I wish I had the Taco Cat, because then I would have stole everything from you. Yeah! Let's do the outro. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a good day. Bye-bye!